No, I'm saying it for myself. I'm not. I'm not. Right there.
Hello friends of New York Story, this is RXC. Welcome to this live video. Today I'm walking in Midtown Manhattan. It's raining a lot, like all day it's been raining. So I'm just going for a walk to show you around. In Maryland it's raining too. Hello Evelyn. Hello Marina from Argentina. Welcome to this live video. Hello everyone. How is everyone doing? I hope you had a good week and I hope you are enjoying your weekend. Hello Barbara from Poland. Okay, so right now I'm walking on the 9th Street and 44th Street. Here I'm gonna show you 44th Street. Hello Memo from Mexico City, how are you? Andrea says in Italy it's raining too. It looks like it's raining everywhere. So where I'm walking right now is part of Hell's Kitchen. So there are a lot of restaurants here. Hi Irfan, how are you? So I'm walking with one hand, I'm holding the camera, with the other hand I'm holding my umbrella. So right now I wish I had 3 arms. Okay, I cannot cross right now. You see the red hand, that means I need to wait. Hello Maria from Greece. Hello Ingrid. Yes, this is Manhattan. It's part of Manhattan, is Midtown. Hello Ali. So it's raining, but it's not super bad. It's a light rain. Here is around 3:30 p.m. And we are in the 46th Street. A lot of restaurants here. Marianne is asking if this is Brooklyn. No, this is Manhattan. Laura says I'm close to her house, so probably we are neighbors. Oh my God, a car just ran over me. Oh my God, guys, I almost died right now. Close to Canal Street now. I am in the 9th Avenue. And now 47th Street. Here, I'm gonna show you. This is 47 and 9th Avenue. There we go. Yeah, so it's supposed I can cross because it was the white pedestrian in the traffic line, but the car didn't see, so he almost ran over me. But it's okay, guys. I survived. I can keep doing the video. Rosemary says, this is Queen or Brooklyn? No, it's Manhattan. Okay, so you see the red hand? Okay, now I can cross. Am I going to Port Authority? No, that's in the other way. Like a coffee place. It looks nice. Hello, Ahmed. Hello, John. How are you? Okay, so I need to move here. I need to. Okay, guys, I'm gonna move you a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Let's keep going. It's raining in North Carolina too. Yeah, it looks like it's raining everywhere today. Here the time is 3:40 p.m. Oh, Vera says in Gran Canaria is very sunny. We are very jealous. Okay, I can cross. Hannah is asking where I'm going. I'm just walking around. I don't have anywhere to specifically to go, so I'm just gonna walk around. Someone is asking what's my name. My name is Alexi, and I am one of the many content creators in this page. I am not the only one. Clark from California. Is it sunny there? Okay, so right now we are in 51st Street and 9th Avenue. Yeah, New York has the best food. I'm sorry. Sorry. I have a crush of umbrellas. Oh, hi Niyati, how are you? Welcome to this live video. Today it's raining, but this is still nice. Oh, thank you so much, Peter. I really appreciate when you give me good comments. Okay, can cross. Look, another taxi wants to run over me, but guys, here says I can cross. Drivers are not being nice today with me. Clark says his home is Queens. I've never been in Queens, I think. I have to go. Okay, so right now we are in the 9th Avenue and 53rd Street. Here we have a Mexican restaurant.
out of it.
So the rain stopped a little bit. I'm gonna close my umbrella because I really need both hands for the camera. There we go. Oh, much better now. Sorry guys, I'm moving a lot the camera. I'm folding my umbrella. It's this one. I usually go to that one. Well, here they have $5 margaritas if someone is interested. Hello, Yusuf. I don't know what message. I don't know if you sent a message to the page, but remember we are many content creators in this page. I'm not the only one. So sometimes it's hard. We also receive tons of messages every day. So it's hard to reply every message.
It's culturally, but like very loving and supportive and talkative and neurotic.
Okay, let's go. Jalen says he's interested in the $5 margaritas. Me too. Hello, Rita. Hello, Masi from North Africa. Wow, what's up? Rose says that's expensive. Yeah, in New York everything is super expensive. One time I went to a rooftop and they told me like, oh, we have a special drink for tonight, you want to try? And I was like, oh yeah, sure. I didn't ask the price, and then when the check came to me, it was $35 for one drink, guys. $35. I almost faint. So always ask for the price before to accept that offers. Okay, so in this street 57, I'm gonna turn to the right. And we are very close to Columbus Circle. Hello, Pame from Paraguay. Jalen says it is more expensive in California. Yes, Niyat, it was $35 for just one drink. Of course, I never came back to that place. Too expensive. So I fold my umbrella, now it's raining again. I'm getting super wet. Oh my god guys, I think I need my umbrella again. So I'm gonna just put you here a little bit, and I'm gonna take my umbrella again. There. Okay, thank you so much for waiting. Let's go. So I hope you are enjoying this video. To be honest, I'm suffering a little bit because I'm wearing wet and it's cold. Oh my god, and it's so windy now. Oh my god. Okay, I need to stop again. Look guys, my umbrella. Where is this? Am I from New York City? No, I didn't born here. I wasn't born here. I'm an immigrant. Oh my god! Look at these guys. I can pour some wine here. Wanted to run over me. Now my umbrella is not working. Wow, it's so windy. Okay guys, so probably I'm gonna stop this like video pretty soon because it's getting bad. The weather is getting very bad. Woo! I hope at least you're having fun with my adventures right now. Oh my god! Probably I'm gonna take the subway to come back home because it's getting worse. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking. Thank you so much guys, you are so kind. Remember, I do all this for you to enjoy. So, thank you so much for your kindness. Wow, wow, whoa. Okay, I'm gonna stop here, the subway. I'm gonna take the subway back home. And thank you so much for walking with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video and laugh about me, if that's okay. And please let me know if you like this kind of videos. Don't forget to leave me a lot of comments. I reply always after I finish the video. I always reply. And I hope you have a good weekend. Be safe and healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye, friends.